How's it going today, guys? Castillo Trading coming to you with another nPOC and daily POC update video. It is Wednesday and as part of our weekly video series, guys, we like to take the time to go over nPOC levels, update them both on BTC and Ethereum. You guys know how this goes. We're gonna just dive right into this, guys. We're gonna talk about BTC. Now, there is a really good range that is kind of starting to generate on Bitcoin, right? This is kind of what we've talked about as far as current ranges go, right? We're kind of building a base on top of previous all-time highs for that potential leg higher. A lot of people will argue, oh, this is the fractal from 2020 or 2021, whatever it is, but I am the exact opposite. I don't think fractals play out very well, especially when you're trying to find a top of an asset, especially of an asset like Bitcoin. So we are just at a range, and I think this is a good thing. This is the best thing that BTC could be doing. You know, we have our highs, we have our lows, upper limit, median ML. You can see the respect that price is actually paying on some of these levels, holding it as resistance, holding it as support, and just going to continue to go forward, right? We did have a new cluster of nPOC prints over the beginning of the week. We did have one at 104,353, another one that printed at 103,559, and then we have that lower one at 102,956 that we've been talking about for a while, guys. We did actually just drop and have a really good reaction at this nPOC print. So this is kind of why I like to do these updates, guys. Sometimes these aren't automatic buys and sells, but you can see just the reaction that we get once price kind of taps into these previous day liquidity, right? So kind of just tapping into that long area. If we do get a retest anywhere between 104,353 and 102,956, guys, this is where we are looking to be long in this area. So I'll update this a little bit later just so that we can get more in depth into the video right now. But again, we have upper nPOC levels as well, 109,597 and 108,547. And if you guys were in my live stream on Monday, I did kind of talk about this. Again, that retest lower into this cluster of nPOC prints is where we're looking at dollar cost average. Do not be in the mindset of trying to catch a bottom on this play. Look to find an area of interest to dollar cost average into. I did not long that nPOC print on BTC. I am still waiting for lower, and you guys know that, you know, these nPOC prints, when they do get within a range, I really do like to be trading them. So that's kind of where I'm looking to be long on Bitcoin next. Kind of tapped into that first nPOC print. Maybe we get that 103,559 and then that 102,956. Based off of our setups from the live stream, you guys know the next area of interest for me to short was that 2724, which again is that range high. I don't know if I'm going to short it. We already kind of had a deviation outside of upper limit. So again, if strength continues, I do think that ETH goes higher. What are the targets higher? Targets higher are going to be that 2963 nPOC print from all the way back here in February of 2025. And then we also have more nPOC prints to the upside at 3251 and 3361, right? And I think that as of right now, this could still potentially range on Ethereum. I think a lot of people are in the mindset of, oh, you know, ETH is going to continue to just go higher. But, you know, this is a clean range to be trading because this is a resistance level. It's a very key resistance level that ETH has not yet gotten above. So if you are planning for ETH to hit 3K, you're basically anticipating for a resistance level to fail, right? And same thing vice versa when it goes to support. If we're approaching a support level and you want to short that support level, well, then you're anticipating it to fail. And that's not the way we trade, guys. We trade off of support and resistance. Those are respected until otherwise shown that it's not. Something like this that would be like, okay, maybe this is now a resistance level that we've gotten above. You'd see a break above and then a retest and trade within this area before we get that next leg higher. So it doesn't just happen all at once and right away. You know, it's a ranging market to where you want to be looking to be buying discounts on. But just getting to our recent and local levels, and what I mean by local levels is I like to look at the nPOC prints within range, right? So this is the range that we're watching, and the nPOC prints that we have are 2724 and 2545. 2404 as well, right? So based off of our long that we've created, that's still the area that I'm interested in longing. I'll be sending updates over in the Telegram every single day like I normally do. Appreciate you guys watching the weekly video series over here, and I'll see you guys over in the Telegram. Peace out.